Hey guys! In this video, we will look at the top 5 best lenses under $1,000, available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 lenses under $1,000. Number 1. Sigma 50mm f1.4 RTG HSM lens for Canon. Sigma's Art Series lenses have quickly built a reputation for exemplary image quality, killer craftsmanship, and best-in-class value for the money. The 50mm f/1.4 is the pick of the litter, capable of astounding image quality, sharpness, and bokeh. It's a little bigger than other 50mm f/1.4 lenses, but it's available for Canon and Nikon DSLRs and goes toe-to-toe with any lens those companies have right now. Number 2. Canon f100mm f/2.8 liters is USM macro lens for Canon digital SLR cameras, lens only. For any photographer looking to capture small objects, such as jewelry, bugs, or just fine details, you'll need a macro lens. If you're a Canon shooter, there's no better option than the 100mm f/2.8 liters is macro. It's razor sharp, offers image stabilization, and it has a superb close focal distance that also works as a dandy portrait lens in a pinch. For less than $800, it's a terrific investment for Canon fanatics. Number 3. Nikon AFS Nikkor 85mm f/1.8G fixed lens with autofocus for Nikon DSLR cameras. If you're shooting a Nikon DSLR and you want a top-notch portrait lens, it's hard to do better than the AFS 85mm f/1.8G. While the pricier f/1.4 has smoother bokeh and shallower depth of field, the f/1.8 arguably has better image quality, is cheaper, and is lighter. It's a perfect storm of portrait goodness that outperformed the 85mm f/1.4 in our lab tests, and at under $500 it won't break the bank, either. So get your brand new product mentioned, check the links in the description box below. Number 4. Fujinon XF56mm f1.2R. Fujifilm is playing by its own rules these days, debuting pro-grade cameras and riding high from the popularity of its Instax instant film cams. But if you're invested in Fujifilm's X-series cameras, the 56mm f/1.2 lens is as good as it gets. With creamy smooth bokeh and a focal length perfect for portraits, this lens is ideal for professional photographers of all stripes. It's pricey, but man is it worth it. Number 5. Sony E50mm f1.8 OSS portrait lens, Cell 50 f18/B. Sony's E-mount family of lenses includes some options aimed at the lower-end APS-C bodies like this 50mm f/1.8 OSS lens. Relatively compact, we thought that this prime was an excellent companion for everyday shooting, with a fast aperture that will let you shoot in low light. Since most Sony cameras go without in-body image stabilization, the optical stabilization inside the 50mm lens should come in handy. So get your brand new product mentioned, check the links in the description box below. So these are the best lenses under $1,000, which you can buy in this year. If you know any other lenses under $1,000, which we missed in the video, you can tell us the name in the comment. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe.